Welcome back to my YouTube channel Air Conditioner Repair in Coral Spring FL. At Air Pros, we provide Coral Spring, Florida with trusted residential air conditioning repair service. Our team is comprised of expert AC professionals who perform reliable AC repair as well as specialize in AC tune up and AC installation service with speed and efficiency. We have been serving areas across Florida, including Davia, Fort Lauderdale, Idle, Lauderdale, Boca Raton, Ocala, Coral Spring with AC repair service that keep their space cool and comfortable all year long. If you are seeking AC repair solution in the future, then Air Pros sign your Coral Spring property need AC repair. There are a variety of reasons your Coral Spring air conditioning system you should we need to service. The first step in determining if your unit needs service is to recognize the sign that indicate your AC need a repair right away. The most common signs that indicate you need air AC repair include you can AC is not cooling your space, your AC conditioner is boiling our heat air, your AC unit is leaking flood, also known as refrigerant, your air conditioner is making strange noises, your AC has broken or frozen cold, the thermostat of your AC unit is broken, there is an unusual odor coming from AC unit. No matter what type of AC problem you are experiencing, our team at Air Pros prepare to arrive at your Coral Spring, Florida property on time with the proper tool and equipment to solve AC problem with a lasting solution. The trusted residential air conditioner repair service. Our team at Air Pros provide Coral Spring with a variety of residential air conditioner repair service that resolve their AC repair problem. Apart from our comprehensive range of AC repair solution in Coral Spring FL, you can rely on Air Pros for these other services. Duct cleaning involved in inspecting all of the air ducts within your home to ensure that they are not blocked with a build up that is prohibiting cool air produced by AC unit from following through home duct cleaning in a easy produce that help Coral Spring residential maintain their conditioning system when cleaning will not longer suffice. However, we can recommend our AC tune up allow our team in maintain the health of your system by inspecting tightening up your AC system. However, we can AC tune up are determined by what we find during AC assessment of your AC system tune ups should be conducted regularly in area like Coral Spring FL where you AC unit in constantly running. This also allow us to address immediate concerns with a quick AC repair when necessary. AC installation is one of the best service because it allows our team carefully remove you exciting AC unit and install a new one in the timely manner. We will always help you choose a new AC unit that fit best with your home or business. We know that it is not easy to get without air conditioner in Coral Spring, which is why AC install service require a little to no downtime. Should you are exciting AC you have a problem or was installed poorly by your previous service provider, you can be sure that Air Pros can help remedially the issue with our trusted AC repair service of our course. AC repair is needed when a part of area of your residential AC system is broken. AC repair with Air Pros is made easy due to our top-notch service that make the process quick and easy. Work with a trusted Coral Spring FLA company, FLAC repair company. If you are looking for the most trusted service in Coral Spring, Florida, contact Air Pros. We are professional about the air conditioner service we provide to communities we work within. We will always provide you with an AC repair or other service that meet the need of a home or business. To learn more about our repair service, can call our friendly staff, schedule an appointment online.